I ain't like the rope.
Huh?
I didn't like the rope.
Okay, let me try to not. Depend on the rope.
I mean, do your thing. It just felt sharp. I ain't like the texture of it.
Huh?
I ain't like the texture of it.
You ain't like the what?
The texture.
Oh.
I'm like, I feel like it's gonna cut my hands.
Ah, shit.
The rocks, yeah.
The rocks hurt.
Yeah. Watch your boots, no.
Huh?
You put your boots in your bag, see? You good.
Rocks hurt.
Yeah. They make you a soldier.
All right, let me be a maroon right quick.
Right. You gotta tap into your inner maroon. There you go. See, that wasn't that bad.
It wasn't terrible, yeah. It's an adventure. Okay.
You made it?
Yeah, this shit hurt though.
Right. It's a little
We made it.
work,
We're
you know.
maroons.